Hey, there we go. So essentially what you have here is the daily automation. As you can see, this has been happening for a few months. Yesterday, August 18th, August 7th, etc. And essentially every day just pretty much give me daily AI and automation news, what's going on in the market in terms of AI. So that's what I wanted to use it for. But again, if I go back to routine here, and I do the same thing. I do it for financial news as well. I have a finance background, and sometimes I want to know what's happening in the markets. So this is a least expanded version of it, but you can see essentially where it stands, and that's the process. It goes into scheduling. So what you see here to restart everything. So what you have here is Claude. This is Claude, the desktop app. If you don't have it, you can just pretty much just look it up, Google Cloud AI desktop application, and then from here you come on Cloud desktop app, and then from on here you just come on and download it for Windows. From downloading on Windows, you have to set it up. So, you go in settings and set it up. You give it information about you. Also, by the way, you have to pay $20 for it to use Cloud Code. So once you come in Cloud, you have it set up. I can make a full video on how to set it up. But essentially, you go home, new code, and then from code, you go into routine. Within routine, that's where you set your routine. So let's set a new routine. Essentially, in this case, new routine, local, or on the cloud. Let's create this on the cloud. For this, I'll call it how to find me news related. Okay. Tell me the hottest moving stocks every morning. All right. So before the stock market opens at 9:30, I want you to essentially go and find, the hottest moving stocks in the morning, whether you're using Bloomberg News, whether you're using Yahoo Finance, or using tools such as Bloomberg, and find whatever tools in the market to pretty much bring me the most moving stocks and why they're moving. Again, you have free leverage to pretty much look and find this wherever you go. All right, so I'm just telling it what to automate. Obviously, so now it has connectors, and then I want you to send this to my Slack. So as you can see, my Slack is already connected. You can send it to Gmail, etc. And then you can just press create. You can tell it how often you want to do it as well. But again, press create, schedule. There you go. You have to press schedule. And then at 9 a.m., if market opens, yeah, actually 9 a.m. works. So create. So if you don't have things connected yet, you can click add connectors, or you can connect it in another way. You just click on customize. You can add those connectors, Slack, Gmail, etc. So you just go and create, and then it's just working, and then it's just gonna, it hasn't been run yet, but you can test on the run. So you can press run now, and then it'll do some research and be back with the results. So in the meantime, I'll go ahead and show you how to add the connectors. So to add the connectors, you just click on that box and connectors here. And this is where you'll be able to add custom connectors. You'll be able to add tools like Gmail, Slack, etc. As you can see, Amplify, these are a few of the connectors I have. But you can connect Canva, and to add more connectors, you can just click on add, browse connectors to see what's there. So again, very self-explanatory, very easy. And then before this, let me go and show you regarding my email. Let me see for my calendar, and then I'll show you what it looks like with Slack. And then from there, everything. So it's just working and working. If I come in here, these are the routines, and then within the Slack channel, I'll just show you the direct results of what it looks like within Slack. Just launching, boiling, launching. So you have the daily. So this is the first run. Again, it's just doing what you told it to do, browsing the web, running, seeing what's happening. and then from here to pretty much just go and get to the automation. So what does this look like? So if I come up here with my Slack, I just open the app. Let's see. So you just give it the Slack channel to go to. My Slack wasn't up, as you can see here. In general, which was one of the channels I told it to send it to. You can see the messages every day. These are the what's happening in the financial markets, etc. It already worked for this morning, today, August 10th, and then it pretty much just tells you, essentially what's going on. The automation, it just tells me all the news that I want. So this is relatively easy, and you can make it happen. I wanted to keep this video short so you can learn something. So enjoy. Have a good